lot of activity going on at Response to Love Center on Buffalo's East Side. We've heard that we're in a yellow zone and we're getting ready. We're following the guidelines so that we can really respond to the people who come to us for a meal. So we have the awning going up where a table will be placed. People will be coming for their meals, and all will be done with social distancing. It's an exciting time, but we don't want anything to hold us back to prevent us from feeding the multitudes. That's our mission, and we choose to do it. Our project station is almost completed. During the week, we'll get the sidings yet done, but we're going to be able to serve our meals outdoors for the people with our social distancing. Thanksgiving is going to be very special. It was a costly project. It is a costly project, but it's a need for the people. So we want to continue this mission, make sure we do it the right way, and we want the people to be treated with dignity, compassion, and with a good meal. So thanks to all of you for being a part of Response to Love Center, and we ask that you continue to journey with us, support us during these COVID days. It's a difficult time for everyone. It's a difficult time for us, but we continue to serve because it's God's mission.